Welcome back. This video is for all of us. Some of you, I know you're out there, folks who own the 2018 and newer Honda Goldwing and the new navigation update. Let's get into this. Let's go. Welcome back everyone to another episode from On Down the Road Productions. Happy to have you here. Some of you know, some of you don't know. Well, hey, I'm Terry. We're super passionate about riding and motorcycling, as well as forerunners, the automotive industry, and the motorcycle industry in general. So that should tell you a lot about our channel. I think you guys know that have seen us before how much we love Piper. So, with all that said, it's important to have good navigation when you go on a long trip. One of the things I've really liked about this new version of the Honda Goldwing is its excellent navigation system. Now, some people have complained about it only having 8 waypoints. What? That's all you need on a long tour. I disagree with that, unless you're doing poker runs.
Whoa, whoa. Baby steps, please.
There's always going to be complainers, but more to the point, the purpose of this video is the fact that there's a new navigation update out.
Yes!
It's a map-only update. Thought it would be cool to walk everyone through it. If you have a 2018 or newer Goldwing, you're going to want to go to honda.powersports.com/goldwing/update/index.html. And with all that said, it's very straightforward how to do this. Our first tip is make sure that you have a thumb drive that can hold 8.75 gigs, because that's how large the ISO update is. Very important too that whatever thumb drive or external hard drive you use, past it having the required amount of space, is it does need to be formatted. And the reason why formatted before you add the ISO update to it, the reason why is that if there's anything else on there, it could corrupt the update. If you don't have an external hard drive that's free of data, find something like we did. This here is 2 terabytes, but I blanked it out anyway. All that it has on it right now is the ISO update. Very important is that you format your external hard drive or thumb drive that can hold at a minimum 8.75 gigabytes. Then after you reformat it, feel free to download. Okay, those are 2 immediate tips for you guys. We'll get on to doing it. I like this because there's a cable here that kind of lets you lay this on the seat of the motorcycle. You're going to find your USB port either here if you have a 6-speed like we do, or back here in the trunk if you have a DCT. All right, so let's get into it. It's important, another tip as we do this, do not start your bike while this is happening. The first step you're going to want to do is put your bike in accessory mode. Okay, so like I said, let's get this key fob turned on. 3 blinks. So let's get the accessory function turned on now. And like I said, 2 turns. It's an accessory mode. The update takes about an hour, so you have to have some patience. What we'll do is start the update and then do the next video clips with the process completing on the bike. And again, the 2023 Honda Goldwing software update is for the map only. Everything else, my understanding, remains the same. Of course, you will have noticed I'll include some graphics too in this video. Let's keep this going. Here we go.
A few moments later.
Reformat your external hard drive or thumb drive first, and then copy the ISO file from the Honda site onto your external hard drive. And then here, our connection, USB connection, is right there for the 6-speed Goldwing Tour. And for other models, you'll find it back here in the trunk area. The next thing we're going to want to do is plug this into the USB dongle. Oh, too funny. Too funny. Too funny. Just more proof we're real people here. We're not fake experts. Okay, here we go. Okay, that's plugged in. And the ISO update from Honda is on this. Okay, so it takes a minute for this to come up here. and it says, do you want to update software from the first version down to the HG ACM 21.11.28.12.04.00. So do this. Let's see. And push yes. And now it's updating. And this will take about an hour.
12 seconds later.
And right now it's telling us that the USB swindle mode, please wait, recognize USB disk, which is fine. And again, this takes a little bit of time. So it started, it's at 0, complete, and the system install is in progress. And we'll come back, everyone. It now switched to that there are 9 files totally, 11% are completed, and the system is checking the install. Okay, and you can see the progress there. So these are the exact same screens that you guys will see when you update your Goldwings 2018 and newer. There's a nice red bar under both line items that displays the progress as well. Very well executed, Honda. We are now on the ETFS data installing, and this will continue until it's complete. And like I said, it takes about an hour. But I have some quick preliminary comments as we do this. One, I think criticism of the Goldwing navigation system is too harsh. The sun is the sun. I don't care what motorcycle you ride. The sun can blind out your view of your IP or navigation tool on your respective motorcycle. And I'm very impressed with the UI on the bike when doing an update like this. You guys have seen some of that in the video so far. It's kind of neat that they thought that out, that type of interplay and interaction with an owner that would have to update their navigation system. I think the navigation system on the bike is excellent for what it is. I haven't seen a bike with anything better, and that includes the Harman systems on Harley Davidsons. And again, you know, you have the opportunity to use Apple CarPlay and use Waze or Google Maps if you want. Think about all that too on your Goldwings. I think it's an excellent bike. We'll let the Goldwing do its business and finish this software update for the navigation system. Okay, here's another quick check-in as this update continues on. 55% of the 9 files in total have been installed, and there's app checksum installing right now, 23% complete. So far so good with this update. I'm curious as our update progresses if you guys have done your update, if you've had the same experience or are planning to. Leave it in the comments for this video. It'd be nice to see what you guys think about the update process, if you agree with us or if you had a different experience as you upgraded your Goldwing 2018, 2019, 2020, 21, 2022, I believe, with the software update for the maps only on your bike. Let us know how it went for you, as of course our notorious Goldwing plugs away with its own update.
Well, that's easy.
Okay, another quick check here. 61% of the 9 files are completed. I don't know if it's going to really take an hour to complete. Okay, walking up slowly on our bike, I think this is just a cool angle. Come around this way. Now I've had to leave this open, and like I said, I have a cable here, and this can just rest on my seat and come up around this way. It's at 69%. Well, since we have to wait for the update to complete, I'm grabbing a beer. Let's go for it. Red Stripe it is. Here is a software update, 2023 Honda Goldwing software update toast to our great bike and to all of you in On Down the Road Productions. This is for you guys. Not so bad.
A few moments later.
Lucky us. Right there, Piper has come out for the excitement. Okay, while we continue to wait, I can talk a tiny bit about our Rocket 3 GT. So running great, moto camping with this bike this year. Gonna try to focus on more of the wild camping, as they say in the UK.
12 seconds later.
Just another quick check. The bike is at 92% complete. Moving along just fine. Okay, we've got 99% completed. So that takes care of the update. So now it's asking us to reconfirm, do you want to update software from the old version to the new version? And I will go over to yes and push on this right here. Okay. Okay. The final top tip for doing your 2023 software update for your Goldwings 2018 and newer models is once it completes, the screen goes black, and then it will then ask you if you want to update your software again. Click no, not yes. We're knuckleheads, we fell for it. Yet still, thank you Honda for such a clean process that is very straightforward, and we love our Goldwing. Well guys, the update is complete. We thank you for spending time with us for this episode. We hope it helps you do the updates on your 2018 and newer GL1800 Goldwings. Until next episode, remember to do your best. Thank you so much.